Welcome to Billionaire's Financial Lifestyle. This is Martins, and today's video is for anyone who's tired of the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of financial freedom, and determined to become rich, even a millionaire or billionaire. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Making $1,000 a day as a beginner might sound like a pipe dream, right? But you're wrong. In this video, I'm going to spill the beans on how you can potentially turn your online dreams into reality. I'll show you legitimate ways to make money online and give you a glimpse into the world of online entrepreneurship. If you watch this video to the end, say "I watched" to the end in the comments section and I will send you a gift. The truth about online money making. Before we dive into the juicy stuff, let's address the elephant in the room. Making $1,000 a day overnight is highly unlikely. It takes hard work, dedication, and often a little bit of investment. But don't let that discourage you. Success is within reach with the right approach. So, what are your options? Let's break it down. Online business and e-commerce. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. The first secret of making $1,000 a day is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail business model where the seller doesn't keep products in stock, but instead transfers customer orders and shipment details to a third-party supplier. The challenges you will face are high competition, low profit margins, and reliance on suppliers. To succeed, find unique products that are in demand but with low competition. Build a strong brand and offer excellent customer service to differentiate yourself. Example: there are dropshippers who have found success by identifying niche markets that others overlooked. They found their unique products and created compelling brands that resonated with customers. Print on demand. Create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases that are only produced after an order is placed. Designing products that sell and managing inventory, if applicable, can pose a challenge if you are new to the business. The challenge can be solved by understanding your target audience's preferences, using design tools to create appealing products, and partnering with reliable print-on-demand platforms. Example: look at successful print-on-demand stores that have mastered the art of niche marketing. They've connected with their audiences through unique designs and storytelling. E-commerce store. Sell physical or digital products through your own online store. An e-commerce store is an online platform where businesses sell products or services directly to consumers. The challenges some people face are building traffic, managing inventory, and competition. Here are what you must do to make $1,000 a day. Implement effective marketing strategies, manage inventory efficiently, and offer unique product offerings. Example: there are countless e-commerce stores that started small but grew by offering something special, whether it was a unique product, exceptional customer service, or a strong community around their brand. Freelancing and the gig economy. Freelancing has to do with writing, editing, and proofreading, that is, offering writing services to businesses and individuals. As a beginner, finding clients, setting competitive rates, and managing deadlines can pose a challenge. To succeed, you have to build a strong portfolio, network with potential clients, and use freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. To be a successful freelance writer, you have to build a career by focusing on niches, such as technical writing or SEO content, and establishing long-term relationships with clients. If you like what you are learning, tell us what you like about the video. Graphic design and web development. Create visual content or websites for clients. As a graphic designer or web developer, building a client base, staying updated with design trends, and project management can be a challenge. That should not deter you. All you need to do is showcase your work through an online portfolio, stay active on freelance platforms, and network with other professionals. Look at web developers and designers who started on platforms like Behance and Dribbble, and how they expanded their client base through consistent quality work. Virtual assistants. Provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance remotely. To succeed as a virtual assistant, you need time management abilities, client communication skills, and task variety. What you need to make lots of money every day is to develop efficient workflow systems, maintain clear communication, and use time tracking tools to manage tasks effectively. Many successful virtual assistants specialize in niches like social media management or email marketing, offering tailored services to specific industries. What do you think of being a virtual assistant? Will you give it a try? Let us know in the comment section below. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses. Social media management is becoming easier by the day due to the emergence of AI apps and other software. These AI tools will help you stay updated with platform changes, manage multiple clients, and measure ROI. Here are some tips that can help you be successful. Utilize social media management tools, plan content ahead, and maintain regular communication with clients. Successful social media managers often have a deep understanding of analytics, which allows them to demonstrate clear results to their clients. Online tutoring and teaching. Share your knowledge by teaching students online. Online tutoring and teaching is the process of sharing your knowledge with others for financial rewards. Finding students, creating engaging lessons, and managing scheduling may be challenging. To overcome these challenges, use online tutoring platforms, market your services, and build rapport with your students. As a successful online tutor, focus on building long-term relationships with students and continuously improving your teaching techniques. Please share this video because that will encourage me to do more and help get the video into the hands of those who need it. Other income streams. Online surveys and market research. Participate in surveys and market research for cash. This is another way to make money online. Some have complained of low pay, time-consuming tasks, and limited earning potential. The solution to this challenge is to use multiple survey platforms, qualify for high-paying surveys, and manage your time effectively. Some survey takers maximize their earnings by strategically choosing surveys that offer higher rewards. Online gaming? Yes, you can actually make money by playing games. The challenges you may face are high competition, time-consuming tasks, and uncertain income. Don't worry, there is a solution to these. To succeed as an online gamer, choose popular games with lucrative prize pools, practice regularly, and join gaming communities for networking opportunities. Gamers who have turned their passion into a profitable side hustle often combine streaming with competitive gaming to increase their income. Another best way to make lots of money a day is selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, music, or software online. This has made me a lot of money. As a beginner, you may find it difficult to create high-quality products, market your products, and deal with copyright issues. Don't worry about it. All I did was identify my target audience, price my products effectively, and use digital distribution platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. Successful digital product creators often start by addressing a specific need or problem that resonates with a particular audience. If you do the same, you will make money passively, which is the best way to make money online. Have you ever created a digital product? Let us know what it was and the challenges you faced. YouTube and video creation. Create and monetize video content on platforms like YouTube. This has made lots of people millionaires, rich and wealthy. The challenges YouTubers face are building an audience, creating engaging content, and consistent uploads. The solution, however, is to conduct keyword research, develop video editing skills, and actively engage with your audience. Look at successful YouTubers who have grown their channels by consistently producing valuable content that resonates with their target audience. Investing and trading. Buy and sell stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets. Online trading has made lots of millionaires and billionaires these days than ever. It can make you rich and join the millionaire ranks very quickly. It comes with challenges too. These include market volatility, financial risk, and learning the market. To overcome these challenges, you have to invest in your education, practice risk management, and maintain a long-term perspective. If you want to be rich, you must have a long-term financial culture as opposed to a short-term perspective. Many successful investors started small and grew their portfolios by sticking to well-researched strategies and maintaining discipline. I know what you're thinking, which one should I do? The truth is, there's no magic formula. It depends on your skills, interests, and how much time you're willing to invest. But here's the secret to potentially making that $1,000 a day. It's often a combination of these methods. If you learned something valuable, then like, share, and subscribe to this video. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one, where I'll dive deeper into each of these methods. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and case studies. Let's build an online empire together. Case studies. Let's